Let's look at the Sage 200 Power BI Stock Management Report in further detail. Stock Management Dashboard shows the metrics and details pertaining to the stock ledger from your Sage 200 data. The Welcome page gives a KPIs overview for outstanding stock and available stock for a general picture. The first page within the dashboard shows the available stock within all warehouses and bins. This could be changed to look into specific warehouses or for stock names. From this page, you can see outstanding stock from each period, quantity of sales over time, stock availability, and top products by sales. Stock in page shows the details for any outstanding and received stocks and what stage of the process is the stock in currently. Table at the bottom shows the list of each stock item due and received, while you could also see stock received in each time period and stock due by product. The overdue stock page gives an outlook of any stock that is overdue and also groups them by product groups and suppliers, so that any concerns can be raised if specific item is overdue. Stockout page shows the sales of stock over time and the number of orders for all stock or specific stock. Here you can also see the sales of stock by customer and the list of all sales as well, while the stock levels page shows the levels of stocks available. This page could also give you a general overview of all stock or for specific stock items as well. We hope you enjoyed that short video overview of the stock management dashboard. Find out more about Sage 200 Power BI. Request a demo by contacting the CPIO expert team and speak to us about pricing and tailored options for your budget.